Hey, this is journal page 50. Lesson 3.2. Find the sum or the difference. So remember, well, I'll just write it down first here. X minus 2 plus x plus 6. There's nothing to distribute here, so we're just combining like terms. I have an x and another x, which would give me 2x. Negative 2 and a positive 6 would give me a positive 4. I can't combine those because they're not like terms, number 2. 2n minus 4 minus 4n minus 3. I actually do have something to distribute here. There's a 1 out here. Distributing a 1 doesn't change anything, but there's a negative 1, or a negative, but negative 1, that I have to distribute here. So 2n minus 4 will stay the same. Negative 1 times 4n gives me a negative 4n. Negative 1 times negative 3 gives me a positive 3. Same sign, positive when we're multiplying. Now I can combine like terms. I have 2n and negative 4n. When I combine those, different signs subtract. Keep the sign of the larger. I have a negative 4 and a positive 3. Different sign subtract. Keep the sign of the larger. Negative 2n minus 1. Number 3. 2 times negative 3y minus 1 plus 2y plus 7. I have to distribute the 2. 2 times negative 3y is negative 6y. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Nothing to distribute over here, so that comes down. Negative 6y plus 2y would give me negative 4y. Negative 2 plus 7 gives me a positive 5. Negative 4y plus 5. Number 4. 1 minus 3k minus 4, 2 plus 2.5k. Nothing to distribute here. A negative 4 to distribute here. So negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Same sign, positive, different sign, negative when we're multiplying. So different sign, negative. Different sign again, so negative again. And 4 times 2.5 is 10. So negative 4 times 2.5k is negative 10k. Now I'm combining like terms. Negative 3k, negative 10k. Same sign, add and keep for negative 13k. 1 and negative 8, different sign, subtract. Keep the sign of the larger. Negative 13k minus 7. Number 5. 6g minus 9 plus 1/3, 15 minus 9g. Nothing to distribute here, but yes, I have to distribute this 1/3. Remember, multiplying by 1/3 is the same as dividing by 3. So 6g minus 9 stays the same. 15 divided by 3, or 1/3 of 15, is 5. 1/3 of negative 9g would be negative 3g, because 9 divided by 3 is 3. One of each, a positive and a negative, would give me negative 3g. Now I can combine like terms. 6g and negative 3g will give me 3g. Negative 9 and positive 5 gives me negative 4. For the next one, I'll go all the way up here. Number 6. 1/2 2r plus 4 minus 1/4 16 minus 8r. So I'm distributing here. Remember, multiplying by 1/2 is the same as dividing by 2. So this 2r divided by 2 is 1r, or I could just put r, but I'll put 1r. Positive 4 divided by 2 is positive 2. This is a negative 1/4. So 16 divided by 4 is 4. But I've got a negative and a positive. Negative 1/4, positive 16. One of each makes it negative when we multiply or divide. 1/4 of 8, or 8 divided by 4, is 2. I have a negative and a negative. Remember, same sign positive when we're multiplying or dividing, so that's a positive 2r. Don't forget the r. Now I'm combining like terms. 1r and 2r gives me 3r. Positive 2 and negative 4 gives me negative 2. Different sign, subtract, keep the sign of the larger. Finally, number 7, you earn this many points after completing X levels of a video game, and you lose this many points. Write an expression that represents the total number of points you have now. So we're just going to be adding these two, combining them. 4x plus 12 plus 2x, minus 5. Oh, you lose this many points. So sorry, I misread that problem. You're losing that many. So you don't add those points on. You would actually subtract that. So we're going to lose this many. 2x minus 5. Okay. Well, that makes more sense. Nothing to distribute here. We do have to distribute this negative, remember. So this stays the same. 4x plus 12. Negative 1 times 2x is negative 2x. Negative 1 times minus 5 is positive 5. Now we combine these terms. 4x minus 2x is 2x. 12 plus 5, or positive 12 and positive 5 is positive 17. That's better. That's how many points we have. Awesome. If you have any questions, please ask.